Hello and welcome to Emster Capital YouTube channel. Today is the 9th of May 2021. In today's video, we are going to look at GBPJPY and EURNZD. GBPJPY 4-hour charts, and as you can see, we have labeled the charts 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are expecting 5 a little bit higher. So why are we labeling it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? We are labeling it like that because when we go on the daily, we see that there was a rally up from as far back as May, or even lower, from as far back as March 2000. GBPJPY started buying, and it has rallied up to this stage, and we believe that there was a correction here, which is the 1, 2, 3, 4 is our correction, and from there we are expecting a buy upwards. So this is why we've labeled it, and as you can see also, this is an ending diagonal. This is an ending diagonal, so it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending diagonal. When we go on the weekly chart, we see that this area is our previous high area, and where we are expecting it to get back to that same area so that there could be a sell. Then we expect a sell from that area. So this is where we are expecting it to go a little bit more higher. So this area is where we are talking about. So this is it. So when we come back to our 4-hour, as we've labeled here, so 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. But this is also, this buy up retraced at this point and did a few corrections here, as you can see. And this, when we draw our trend line, to this point, we see a typical pennant. So with the pennant, what happens? This is a bullish pennant. So with the pennant, we are expecting it to break higher and move higher up, or buy higher up, and this is the zone for which we will be expecting to buy from. As it breaks the trend line, it might come back and hit the trend line again before buying higher up. So this is the analysis for that. And also, not only that, we can see that from our weekly support here, weekly and daily support, daily support, we are moving weekly and daily support here, which is at the 2, where we label 2. We are moving also higher to the next weekly and daily support, which is here, but we'll move higher than that as it will rally from this point on upwards. So we are expecting it in the 155 area, as we have labeled here. As you see, when we went on the weekly, we saw it there. So this is the area for which we are expecting it to, it's the trend line. So this is the area we are expecting it. If you want to have signals and more on our analysis and our taking of your trades, point at which to take your trades, you can join us or you can join us, yes, on Telegram, Emster Capital. Then we will give you signals as and when it goes for you to pick where and when to pick the trade. So you can join us there and get a signal for your entries. So as you can see again, this is a EURNZD daily chart, and you can see we've labeled it A, B, C, and also another A, B, and C. But this C is here because we are expecting it to come a little lower so that we can buy from that place. We expect it to come a little lower so we can buy from that place. So it's around the zone. This is the zone in which we are expecting it. This is the zone where we are expecting the EURNZD to come or to sell to, so we can buy from there higher. Why are we saying this? We can see here is breaking the trend line. The trend line from, go zoom, yes, we see that from the previous high, which was around March, January, February, the highest point. So it sold, rallied down to this point, which is around February. Sold to around February 2021 from a high or March 2020 to February. So it broke the trend line at this point, so it will retest again, then move higher from there. So also when we go to we see that it broke the support and resistance area here, the support and resistance area at around this 1.6672 area is broken. The sell candle broke, and this is just a retracement to move down more. When we go to the 4-hour, we see it clearly there. As you can see here, this is the support and resistance, and from our chart you can see with the indicator we are using, from our chart we see that it was from a daily support, went back to a daily resistance, then we have a weekly resistance as well. So it moved from the daily, came down to our 4-hour support here, and it's going to hit the 4-hour resistance. So this is a correction here to go down further, to back to our around our daily support here, or within the area we say, because this is also our weekly support area, So but for the coming week, this weekly support could also shift down or further down, so that we know where it would the C would know where the C would go, exactly the point the C would go. So this is how we see the chart this day. As you can see, it is an A, which is an up. B, after hitting the bottom of the channel, went A, B, C up, and it did another correction, A, B, and we have another C to give us probably a head and the shoulder, where it will break the neckline. So we come down and sell and buy from there as well. Buy from the low, it will come, and we buy higher from there. So you can join us on Telegram, Emster Capital, where we give trade analysis, we give you signals, entries, and all of that. Emster Capital, the link below, you can join us on our Telegram group so that you can know more about the trades, when to pick them, how to pick them, when to enter, when to take your profit, all of these things in our Telegram community at Emster Capital. That's all we have for you this week. More of these analysis will be done every week before the market opens. So be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and ring the notification bell. Also check out the link below to join our Telegram group, Emster Capital, for trade signals and entry points and more.